Free education, a complete educational solution.
Welcome all. Today we will do the exercises of Social Science, Class 7 Geography, Lesson 5, Water surrounding the Earth. चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लें, और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें, ताकि आपको न्यू वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। First we will discuss about the something to know. A. Tick the correct option. 1. The water cycle is A. The continuous movement of water. B. Passage of water through a house. C. The life of an organism in water. D. A static system. Answer A. The continuous movement of water. 2. The three states of water are A. Cloud, rain, river. B. Solid, liquid, gas. C. Salt water, fresh water, rain water. D. Waves, tides, currents. Answer B. Solid, liquid, gas. 3. What turns water on the earth into vapors in the water cycle? At the core of the earth. B. Global warming. C. The sun. D. Nuclear energy. Answer C. The sun. 4. When clouds get too heavy to hold water. A. The water runs off. B. The water falls on the earth. C. More clouds are formed. D. Water gets collected. Answer B. The water falls on the earth. 5. Kuroshio. B. Canary. C. Kuroshio. D. Labrador. Answer C. Kuroshio. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. The largest natural source of water is ocean. 2. When the level of ocean water rises, it is a high tide. 3. Kolkata Port in India is an example of tidal port. 4. Tidal energy is a renewable source of energy. 5. Cold currents flow along the west coast of the oceans. Now do the next questions. Question number C. Give a technical term for each of the following statements. 1. The process in which water is converted to water vapors through heat of the sun. Answer evaporation. 2. The continuous circulation of water in the three spheres of the earth. Answer water cycle. 3. A movement in the ocean in which water particles move up and down. Answer waves. 4. It is the purest form of water. Answer rain water. 5. Periodic rise and fall in the level of the ocean water. Answer tides. Now next question is question D. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. On what factors does the height of a wave depend? Answer. The height of a wave depends on the speed, strength and duration of the wind. 2. Define an ocean current. Answer. The ocean current is the continuous movement of mass of water in a particular direction. 3. How are tides caused? Answer. Tides are caused due to the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Tides occur twice a day. When the level of water rises, it is a high tide, and when the level falls, it is a low tide. 4. Name the important components of the water cycle. Answer. The important components of the water cycle are sun and water. 5. Name 3 valuable resources which are found in abundance in the ocean. Answer. Copper, nickel and cobalt are the valuable resources found in the ocean. Next we will discuss about the question E. Answer the following questions. 1. How are tides useful to us? Answer. Tides are useful to us in different ways. 1. Tidal energy is harnessed to generate electricity in the coastal areas. 2. Tidal energy is one of the important renewable sources of energy. 3. High tide enables big ships to enter the harbor or sail out of the harbor. 2. How are oceans beneficial to us in improving the quality of life? Answer. 1. The oceans facilitate countries and regions to trade with one another. 2. Transportation through oceans is cheaper than any other mode of transport. 3. The marine environment provides animal and plant life for food and trade in abundance. 4. Mineral oil, magnesium, gold, platinum, nickel, copper and cobalt are some of the valuable minerals found in different parts of the ocean. By this way, oceans are beneficial to us in improving the quality of life. 3. Explain the water cycle with the help of a diagram. Answer. Water of the ocean is converted into water vapors due to the heat of the sun by the process of evaporation. The evaporated vapors rise up in the atmosphere and condensed into tiny crystals of ice or droplets of water to form clouds. When the water droplets grow in size and are unable to float, they fall down over the Earth's surface as precipitation. It is because of this never-ending circulation. This process is called water cycle. 4. Explain 3 effects of ocean currents. Answer. The 3 effects of ocean currents are: 1. It influences the climate of the coastal regions of the continents. 2. Warm ocean currents rise the temperature and cause rainfall in coastal areas. 3. Cold ocean currents lower the temperature and make the climate cool and dry. 5. Suggest 4 ways to help people affected by devastation due to tsunami. Answer. The 4 ways to help people affected by devastation due to tsunami are: 1. Try to provide a relief to the victims by donating money, clothes, medicines, etc. 2. Make a list of people lost and keep advertising till every family is united and supply them with food and water. 3. Move them to safe place and make them feel everything is going to be fine. 4. Bring first aid and medical help as soon as possible. Next we will discuss about the value-based questions. We should respect and protect our oceans and seas. Oceans made Earth a habitable planet by giving birth to life. But we are turning our oceans into dumping grounds of waste material. 1. What steps should be taken to prevent loss of precious, marine life? Answer. Here are 2 major ways to prevent loss of precious marine life. 1. Reduce plastic pollution. Avoid single-use plastics. Recycle and properly dispose of waste. Participate in beach cleanups. 2. Address climate change. Reduce carbon emissions. Support renewable energy. Advocate for climate policies protecting marine ecosystems. These 2 actions can significantly mitigate harm to marine life, protecting delicate ecosystems and preserving biodiversity. 2. Give 2 suggestions to ban the disposal of waste material into oceans and seas. Answer. 2 simple suggestions to stop throwing waste into oceans and seas. 1. Companies should help clean up waste from their products. They should make products that can be recycled or reused. 2. Governments should make laws to stop ocean dumping. Regular checks should be done to catch those who break the rules. We can also keep our beaches and surroundings clean. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Tell others to do the same. Let's save our oceans. Let's discuss about the map skills. Map skills. Locate and label the following on the outline map of the world. A. Labrador Current. B. Gulf Stream. C. North Atlantic Drift. D. Grand Banks Fishing Ground. E. Dogger Banks Fishing Ground. That's it for today. Hope you learned something new and interesting. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more educational content. See you in the next video.